विशाखापट्टनम आंध्र प्रदेश का दारुल हुकूमत बन जाएगा, जगनमोहन रेड्डी। चीफ मिनिस्टर आंध्र प्रदेश जगनमोहन रेड्डी ने आज दिल्ली में कहा कि रियासत के सदर मुकाम को विशाखापट्टनम मुंतकिल कर दिया जाएगा। सरमाकारी से मुतालिक विशाखापट्टनम में माह मार्च में मुनाकिद होने वाली आलमी चोटी कॉन्फ्रेंस की तैयारियों का जायजा लेने के लिए मुनाकिद अजलास को मुखातिब करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि इनके दफ्तर को अनकरीब पोर्ट सिटी को मुंतकिल कर दिया जाएगा। कार्रवाई चंद महीनों में की जाएगी। चीफ मिनिस्टर वाई एस जगनमोहन रेड्डी ने कहा कि मैं सरमाकारों को विशाखापट्टनम की दावत देने के लिए यहाँ आया हूँ, जो कि रियासत का सदर मुकाम बनने वाला है। उन्होंने कहा कि वो खुद भी विशाखापट्टनम मुंतकिल हो जाएंगे। इस तरह ये अमल चंद महीनों में तक मिल पाएगा। अमरावती फिलहाल आंध्र प्रदेश का सदर मुकाम है। जगनमोहन रेड्डी ने मजीद बताया कि रियासती हुकूमत की जानिब से 3 मार्च को विशाखापट्टनम में सरमाकारों की चोटी कॉन्फ्रेंस का एहतमाम किया जा रहा है, जिसमें आलमी सतह के सरमाकार शिरकत करेंगे। उन्होंने कहा कि ये कॉन्फ्रेंस 2 दिन तक जारी रहेगी। उन्होंने इस सिलसिले में तमाम से दरख्वास्त की है कि वो कॉन्फ्रेंस की कामयाबी को यकीनी बनाने के लिए इश्तराक व ताउन करें।
Honorable ambassadors, consul generals and diplomats, my colleagues from the state cabinet, and my special thanks to Shri Prabhat Kumar, IFS Secretary, Government of India, Shri House of Saeed, IFS also Secretary, External Affairs, and of course industry leaders and representatives, dignitaries, and ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning and a very warm welcome once again from my side. I think so much has been already spoken about the state and by so many people, and especially quite a few testimonies. In fact, by Mr. Park of Kia Motors, Mr. Yamaguchi of Toray Industries, Japan, Mr. Deepak of Cadbury, and Mr. Roshan of Everton Tea from Italy, and Mr. Santanam from Saint Gobain, I think from France. I think these testimonies also stand to tell a lot about Andhra Pradesh. In brief, I would not take much of your time because it will only be a repetition of what the others have already spoken. In brief, my conclusions are, this is an outreach program and we are here to communicate to you that you mean a lot. And we are here to give you a platform in Andhra Pradesh, an experience in Andhra Pradesh that would be far more different, that would be different from any other state. In fact, thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, the platform of India is already on the global diaspora. And now, as far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned, as far as a state within India, Andhra Pradesh is concerned, to just speak a few words of it, all what I'd like to say is, we are the fastest growing state in the country, with 11.43% GSDP. And we are also rated in the sphere of ease of doing business. We are rated #1 in this country for the past 3 years in a row. And especially when entrepreneurs are to give their opinion, when industry is supposed to give their opinion, and when that is taken into perspective, we are rated #1 in ease of doing business consecutively for the last 3 years in a row. I think that would speak volumes of what we are doing in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And as the video played earlier clearly showcased, that we have a 974-kilometer coastline. We have 6 ports which are operational in 4 locations. We're adding 4 more ports to the existing 6 that are already in operation, and 6 airports as well. And we're also constructing 3 industrial corridors with the help of central government, of course. Out of 11 industrial corridors which are coming up in this country, 3 of them are coming up in our state, which would speak volumes about the kind of development, the kind of connectivity the state would offer to the industrial community. And of course, we have a treasure house of 48 minerals suitable for various mineral specific industries as well. And most importantly, the ease of doing business, which speaks about a single desk portal wherein all the approvals are deemed given within 21 days. I mean, that itself would stand as a testimony of how swift and how fast we are. And you have a lot of industrial clusters, electronic and manufacturing clusters. We have, in that arena, we have 4 clusters. Toy clusters, we have 2 of them in that arena. Food processing clusters, we have 2 of them in that arena. Textile parks, we have 10 in that arena. Cement clusters, we have 2 in that arena. Medical devices manufacturing cluster, we have 1 in that arena. Pharma clusters, automobile clusters, all these are also automobile clusters. We have 4, pharma clusters, we have 2. All these are also readily available along with plug and play model as well. So here I am to invite you to Visakhapatnam, which is going to be our capital in the days to come. I myself would also be shifting over to Visakhapatnam in the months to come as well. And we are organizing this global summit, investor summit in Visakhapatnam on March 3rd and 4th. And I take this opportunity to personally invite all of you to this summit in Visakhapatnam and request all of you to not only come over there, but also put in a strong, good word to your colleagues abroad to come and visit us, see for themselves how easy it is to do business in our state of Andhra Pradesh. And my profound thanks once again, because all of you have taken.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, हेलो, हाय, आदाब एवरीवन। दोस्तों, मैं आपका दोस्त शहबाज खान। आप देख रहे हैं TNT न्यूज और देखते रहिए TNT न्यूज। थैंक यू।